Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad ki sangma mentak sngi ke shpotrik unok pra arjar pesau ha kajingalang penkut de kajingrakhe jubilee ksiar jong Nativity Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat ula Pynbna ba sorkar jela kaladap ban mang tingka nak bentaban Pynheh ya ke Surok Weiloi Mawkyrwat ha kajinglot ke ba antat komba shispa arpho Klur tingka lingba ke World Bank MITP2 road project ha ba shantang mare pendap ya ke DPR ansa khot tendar sendon nak benta kani ke Surok Nakliang Conrad sangma Menteri Rangba ula Pynbna ru arpesan nak tingka kum ke jingno senyang nak Chief Minister Special Development Fund ya ke Nativity Higher Secondary School nak benta ban Pynheh ya ke Ying School. Ha ke juga pot Menteri Rangba ula Pynbna ru baka sorkar jela kala treshitom hadu kata-kata ban kentiu ki kam jungok kai perthei ya ke Southwest Khasi Hills District ki ban ai ru shibun ba kilat yok kam yok jam ya ki samla ba klem kam klem jam. Kumta Menteri Rangba ula Pynbna basyan ke sorkar kan sakhot tender no nak benta ke way ke resort ha ke shnong nongna kabadan kumba laipho kilometer AA na Mawkyrwat ha ke jinglut ke ba arpesan Klur tingka nak benta ban kentiu ki kam jungok kai perthei ha ke tiga than ule thuru ba ke sorkar jela kan pentre kan ke project de ke jing trelang bat ki dorbar shnong lembat ki trai khndo ha ke ba ya ke jaka la ai de ki pat ba shushu Menteri Rangba ula Pynbna ru ba ke shnong maulangwir ha ke jaka badan ki mau bena ke sorkar kala dap mang san Klur tingka nak benda ban Pynroi kani ke jaka bat ya kani ke project ru an khat tanda no shan ule thuru bah ka shnong jakram ke sorkar ka angnuat banwan ra project da ka betrelang bat ki pat ba henry hadu menta kadang sa teng ha ke jing penbet ya ki jaka ha kani ke sngi penkut ya ke jubilee ksiar jong ke Nativity High Secondary School la dan lang u Dr Alphonsius Walang ba renik ton ling do tongkhar UMDC jong ke Mawkyrwat ba karne so shang lambat Kiwei ki diurang ba.
Put your hands together as our Honorable Chief Minister is felicitating our first headmaster, Sir Brixius Marwin.
So much of satisfaction on this day, seeing this institute become and how many students have been helped and blessed. What
only the DPR stage is left, and that's when we'll come to know the exact costing of the road. Apart from this major road connectivity that is required for Mawkyrwat, has been pending for a long time, I'm also happy to announce and inform all of you that we are pushing tourism like never before. We will be tendering out a small resort for development of tourism in Nongna, amounting to 25 crores. The DPR has been made. The tendering should be taking place in about maybe a month's time, and hopefully the work will be awarded right after that. And I want to share with you that tourism has got a huge potential, not just in Southwest Khasi Hills, but in our state as a whole. Another very important aspect of tourism which I would like to share is that the government has or is working towards involving the community. I'm thankful to the headmen, the Rangbashnong, and all the leaders and landowners who have participated and worked with us in Nongna, that they have partnered with the state government. The land belongs to the community, and it will continue to belong to them. We will construct this resort and give it to professional people to run it. And whatever profit that comes out, will be shared with the landowners. And hence, the locality and the village and the Dorbar out there will benefit hugely and immensely from this partnership. To give you an example, we have completed this process for Shillong Peak, where the landowners and the Dorbar out there partnered with us. The land belongs to them. Government is investing close to 150 crores to put up the ropeway up to Shillong Peak. And in return for the land that they have agreed to partner with the state, the government is giving them 1 crore annually, every year, to the Dorbar as a share of the profit that the ropeway will make. And that money has already started being given to the Dorbar out there. And that is a partnership with which we are working. The same model is being followed in Nongna. We are also happy to announce that in Molenbeek, where our monoliths are there, we are also sanctioning infrastructure for 5 crores has been sanctioned for that too. And I'm happy to announce that the DPRs are being made and the tender for that also will be done very, very soon. And similarly, in Jakrem also, we are keen to work with the society. We are still to finalize the land. I would like to take this opportunity to appeal to our local leaders and to the local headmen and the Dorbar. If we can work together, a beautiful model where we can share the revenue, develop tourism, and create economic livelihood and opportunity for the people can happen if we are able to conclude those discussions. So we look forward to this particular discussion, and I hope that we'll be able to finalize the details and the agreement for Jakrem also, and that is also something that we are really, really looking forward to. Hence, there is a huge push, as I said, towards tourism, and I personally believe that Southwest Khasi Hills can become one of the major destinations for tourism in the coming years, and that is the reason why we are investing on the infrastructure and also on the tourism circuits and the overall locations so that we can develop the infrastructure in those areas. All know is one of the most important pillars of society and of any nation. And expenditure and the money that is spent on education is more of an investment. And that is why in the last many years, it has been the endeavor of our government to ensure that we give utmost importance to education. The highest budget among all the departments is kept for education, amounting to more than 15% of our total budget. But in spite of all the funds and all the investments that we make, we have numerous challenges. Education has a lot of complications. It is not easy. We are trying our best to structure things. But as I was just speaking in the earlier program, when you have a problem in front of you, it's not easy to solve the problem in one go. I was comparing it to ironing a shirt. When you have a crumpled shirt, you take piece by piece and you iron the shirt, starting with the hand, the collars, so on and so forth. And similarly, this is what we are trying to do when it comes to education. I'm not saying that it's a mess. All I'm saying is that it is complicated. A lot of challenges are there. and hence we need to work in a very, very structured manner to slowly and steadily iron out the different crumples that are there, and hopefully in the process one day we'll be able to reach to the point that we all desire to. In terms of education, apart from secondary, higher secondary, our government is very, very keen to ensure that different colleges and also higher education opportunities are given to our students. Just yesterday, we have approved the sanctioning of Science and Commerce stream in Sora Government College, William Nagar Government College, and also in Bakmara Government College. This is of course in line with the new education policy, where we are ensuring that multi-disciplines and multiple streams are provided to our students. In the past, Almighty, for having blessed us with this day and blessed the people of our state with this wonderful and great institution. I also would like to sincerely apologize to all of you for having made all of you wait out here for almost more than an hour. I can assure you I am mostly on time. I reached Mawkyrwat on time as per my schedule, but due to different circumstances, certain other programs, I was not able to reach to this program on time. But I'm so thankful to all of you for having waited for us, and also would like to take this opportunity to wish the school and each and every one of you, the principal, the vice principal, the past principals and faculty, the past students, each and every one of you, a very happy 50th year or Golden Jubilee that we are celebrating today of the Nativity Higher Secondary School, Mawkyrwat. On March 15th, 1974, the then parish priest, Father Aaron, had established this particular school. Along with Brixius Marvin, I'm told he is present out here. It would be my honor to felicitate him if our principal would allow after my speech. And also Ba Elucius Nongla. When 50 years back, they had taken this decision and started the school, resolution was passed, and Faithful's form has just completed 50 years, and therefore it is a kind of a small token, you may say, that I would like to leave as a memory from our side, from my CM Secretariat side, for the building which they are making for the extension of the classrooms. So I would like to announce 25 lakhs as a contribution from my side on this very wonderful day from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for the extension of the school building. I know it may not be enough, but Father, we will wait for another program when you invite me to give more funds later on. So if I gave all the funds in one go, then you will not remember me next time to call me. So I will keep some pending for next time. But I also would like to correct our father principal. I have been here to the school multiple times. So I just wanted to share with you, I think not less than 3 or 4 times, may not be in large programs, but I have come, visited, shared a cup of tea, coffee with our previous principals and students. So I'm quite well versed with the school. If you leave me also in the middle, I'll find my way. So I know the map of the school quite well in the classrooms. So I visited here. And I think the college also, I'm pretty sure I visited. Principal had mentioned that was my first visit, but I'm pretty sure that I have come to the college also before. But nonetheless, thank you so much, Father, for remembering me and inviting me to be part of such a memorable program. And more importantly, really being patient. I know it's really bad and wrong on my part to be late by 1.5 hours. I believe that being punctual is one of the most important things in life. It's a discipline that I was taught by the Christian brothers when I was studying in Columbus and Edmonds. So it's something that has been engraved in me, and I always respect time. I respect people's time, and therefore I really am very, very upset with myself for not coming here on time. And once again apologize to you and apologize to all our students and our audience out here for wasting your time, for having made you wait here. And all the other villages had come together and under a very, very small room started the journey of this wonderful and great institution. And I'm sure Barbrixius and others who have seen the journey of this school from where it began to where it is today, there must be a sense of deep satisfaction in your hearts to see what this institution has become. Because it's not just about the buildings that we have built, not about the playgrounds that you have built, but the lives that you have touched. The students who have come out of this institute, the way they have become responsible citizens of our state and of our country. And today are contributing at different positions, at different levels, for the benefit of society and for the benefit of the state as a whole. I'm sure all the past faculty, principals will see that contribution and will have a very, very deep sense of satisfaction to see what they have contributed to society. I once again congratulate the founders and all the faculty who have contributed to making this institute what it is today. Education, colleges which were run by governing bodies have been supported in terms of People's College. Sanction posts have been given to these different colleges, including here in Mawkyrwat. And also I can see Father Sunny, when he was in Williamnagar, we had given to the Loyola College in Williamnagar also the status of People's College. But still, as I said, we have large challenges, but I'm hopeful that slowly and steadily with the interventions that are being made, we will be able to see a difference and improvement in the education sector. And I once again congratulate our principal and all the faculty for the wonderful education that they're providing in the school. I also would like to take this opportunity to share with all of you that we are putting a lot of stress on rural infrastructure in our state. I'm happy to announce that we will be taking up Weiloi to Mawkyrwat Road under the World Bank MITP 2 project of approximately 120 plus